Hello, everyone. We are group number one, and we are very excited and thrilled to present this topic. Today, we will be presenting a case study on the Gordie Howe International Bridge project. Our goal is to evaluate how effectively project management principles guided this 5.7 billion mega project. We will explore its initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and overall success using project management analysis to see whether it achieved its intended outcomes. My team members and their roles are Bansari Patel, project coordinator and timekeeper, myself Mapara, who's going to take care of quality control and final submitter, Imdadul Haq, who's going to take care of the presentations and graphic leads, and last but not the least, Vinay Kumar Chauhan, who's going to take care of script and research communications. Over to Bansari, who's with the project objectives, success factors, scope, milestones, and budget. Thank you.
Here in second slide, the Gordie Howe International Bridge aimed to strengthen trade and mobility between Canada and United States. This 2.5 kilometer 6-lane bridge, along with ports of entry connecting highway, is a major infrastructure project which showcasing effective project management. Three success factors drive this project. First, effective binational collaboration between Canada and United States, aligning both nations' priorities. Now, second, it's depend on delivering on budget while controlling risk through careful planning. And the third, ensuring long-term sustainability and safety for decade of reliable use. The scope include the 2.5 kilometer bridge, customs facilities, and connecting highways. Key milestones are planning in 2018, construction from 2019 to 2024, and testing and opening in 2025. Thank you.
Thank you, Bantari. Hello, everyone. This is Mapara. Now let's talk about the key stakeholders and initial risks of the project. The Government of Canada and the Windsor Detroit Bridge Authority are the public sector leaders overseeing policy, funding, and long-term governance. Bridging North America is a private consortium responsible for design, construction, and operations under a private-public partnership model. In addition, US and Canadian custom agencies ensure both port of entry meet security and operational standards, while local communities and environmental groups advocate for sustainability and neighborhood well-being. The project also faced several initial risks, including political and regulatory delays, environmental and community concerns, cost inflations, and supply chain issues, and labor shortages with safety implications. Recognizing these risks early allowed the Windsor Detroit Bridge Authority and its partners to apply strong project management and stakeholder strategies to keep progress steady and aligned across borders. Next, we are going the top 5 risks that shaped the project and how each was managed effectively, because during execution, the risk management played a crucial role. First, supply chain delays. This was both a high probability and high impact. The team mitigated it through early procurement planning and securing materials ahead of time. Second, labor shortages also with high probability but with medium impact. This was reduced through local recruitment and training initiatives. And these were the initiatives to strengthen the regional workforce. Environmental delays and cost overruns are moderately probable but have a high impact. Continuous ecological monitoring and coordination with agencies helped avoid costly stoppages, and the project implemented monthly budget audits to control expenses and keep spending aligned with milestones. And finally, political changes. Though it was with a low probability but with high impact, the team managed this through active stakeholders communication, maintaining alignment with both governments. Overall, these proactive strategies reflect disciplined project management and risk control across a complex cross-border infrastructure project. Next, over to Vinay. Thank you so much.
Okay, so my name is Vinay Kumar, and today I am going to speak on the topic communication management and collaboration speaker. So, to start with, communication was a cornerstone of our success for this particular project. Also, this project established structured communication channels, which involved monthly steering meetings, weekly site coordination, quarterly stakeholder updates. All this, including the stakeholder updates, helped to achieve consistency, which helped in aligning teams, addressing issues, and since we were able to address issues earlier, they helped in maintaining public trust. Also, I would say that transparent media releases also kept in public informed, so which minimized resistance and built communication support. Moving to slide 6. So, starting with slide 6, the topic is project outcome and evaluation speaker. So I would say that despite the pandemic disruptions, this project did maintain its budget and quality standards. Also, during the project, there were some schedule delays or government's model risk mitigation, and due to this, we also faced communication strategies which were highly effective. At the end, the result was a strong partnership between stakeholders and a well managed execution process, which helped us to achieve our goals, and overall, the project was a success. So again, to conclude, I would say that overall this project is considered as a success because it involved a well-managed partnership between stakeholders and execution process, and also it demonstrated an adaptive leadership and adherence to PMBOK principles.
Okay, now let's talk about quality assurance and lesson learned. So the some key points are like continuous quality audits during construction, compliance with Canadian and US safety codes, third-party inspection for material and structure, digital progress tracking through BIM lessons. So in other words, like quality management was embedded in every project phase, regular audits, third-party inspection, and compliance with Canadian and US safety codes ensured high construction standard. Using building information modeling improved coordination and reduced rework. The main lesson learned is that integrating quality with risk and communication management leads to better efficiency and long-term sustainability. So as we heading to our presentation last slide, so I'm gonna talk about like some sources that we get data and other stuff from. So the first in Windsor Detroit Bridge Authority 2024 project overview, and reading North America Progress Report, Government of Canada 2023 Infrastructure Investment Report, Project Management Institute 2021 PMO guidance. So our analysis is supported by official sources from the UNSOR Detroit Bridge Authority, Briding North America, and Government of Canada. We also reference the PMO guide, which help us evaluate the project across all knowledge areas and process groups. So as we are heading to finishing line, so if you have any question or concern, please share with us. So thank you so much, Professor, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, team.